What's going on, guys? So today you'll see the garage is cleaned out. I've got both cars outside. This video is just touching base what we have coming up for videos. Some of this isn't going to be just a regular video install, but others will just pass by. Just wanted to touch base on what we bought. We bought some side scoops, hard top cover, intake throttle body, lettering for the Lotus. For the Mustang, we got turn signal, armrest, and headlights. So how much did I spend on all this? We'll touch base on here in a $1,500 for the hard top, $395 for the carbon scoops, $100 for the hose, $20 for the letters, I think $180 on the headlights, $20 on the antenna, $20 on the turn signal, and $50 on the armrest. Stay tuned for the end.